To do it, this is what a record they made. Okay. If it wasn't for the Trogs, Jimi Hendrix would never have done it. That's true. Jimi Hendrix loved the Trogs record. That's why he recorded it, and there's never been two greater performances of the Trogs and Jimi Hendrix. What a lucky guy I am. And behind the 1650 Broadway sign, making my bets in the morning record by drinking Lafroy whiskey. 2, 3, 4. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. You need everything. Come on, wild thing. Wild thing, I think I love you. But I wanna know for sure. So come on in, hold me tight. I love you. Wild thing, you make my heart sing. You make everything. Come on, wild, here we go. Come, hey, rock it. One and only John Platania right there. Wild thing, I think you move me. But I wanna know for sure. So come on, hold me tight. You move wild dog, so good. You make my heart sing. You make everything. Wild man. Okay, here we go. We got great solos by John tonight, so many of them. And you know, the great thing about John is he never does the same thing twice. As long as I've known him since 1973. And that's one of the great things about rock and roll. That is the thing about rock and roll, is the spirit of it. So he's done all these wonderful, feelingful solos tonight. So the big solo right now is your solo. You got a chance to not just play anything, but just to sing one chorus of Wild Thing, like Jimi Hendrix did it, like the Trogs did it, like a total, fuck everybody. We're gonna do this thing, we're gonna let it go. So you sing this chorus like this. This is total therapy. You sing it, and the person next to you, if you've known it for 5 months or 50 years, what the hell? You should have said, what? Is that you? then you got it. That's the therapy. So everything. When I was at Reg Presley's funeral, he passed away almost 2 years ago. They did a thing for him that was amazing. It was a crematory, and they had somebody speaking about his life, and he was a charming, good-hearted guy. And everything he did was about passion. Everything he did in his life. When he first met his girl Barbara, when they got married, everything was feeling. And so as they were talking about him, they would play the tracks from his life, play the tracks of his songs. Play With a Girl Like You, and Any Way That You Want Me, and everything like that. They finally got the end of the ceremony, this big tribute, and all his fans that were at that place, they stood up when they heard that Trogs thing. Oh, and they sang this thing. They stood up like this as they said goodbye to Reg. And man, there's nothing more beautiful than that. Passion, that's the thing. Love everything, not plastic bullshit. Great, get rid of all the great. So here's one chorus of Wild Thing from the deeper place. It doesn't have to be loud, but it's just something. Come on, give it 2, 3, 4.
Wild Thing! You make my heart sing. You make my heart sing.
But that was one of the right movies. Most everybody was good. I never knew what that. Come on, Wild Thing! You make my